Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit footer in Shopify. So first of all you have to log into your Shopify account, and after that here you can see the sales channels, online stores. Simply just click on online store, and after that when you click on online store you have to click on themes. So simply after that when you click on themes, so here you can see the customize button. So simply if you want to change the theme, simply you can change the theme here. So it's depend upon you on which theme you want to edit the footer. So just as you can see, this is the customize button, so simply click on customize. So now when you click here it will take some time to upload. So now finally we are here on this page. So just as you can see, this is home page, and here you can see the header, here you can see the image banner. So just scroll down simply, and here you can see this is the footer. So now you can also find here, go to home page, now go to others. So you can also search footer from here. So simply just as you can see, this is footer, and now simply select here. So when you select the footer, here you can see color scheme background. Like here you can change the background, like I have select this one. So these color scheme available, so like I have select this one. So after that here you can see the email sign up, show email sign up. Simply if you hide or unhide this, simply just click here, and after that heading subscribe to our email. So here you can see you can also change this according to your recommendation. Like I have typed subscribe email. So in this way you can change this section. Now here you can see social media icons. So now if you want to hide or unhide social media icons, simply you can check or uncheck this box. So now here you can see enable country or region selector. So simply you can also check or uncheck this option. So now here you can see language selector. So if you click here the enable language selector, so simply it will be enabled. So payment method, so you can also edit the payment methods here. So now here you can see the spacing, top margin, selection padding, like top padding. So here you can change this, bottom padding, so you can also change this. So here you can see our mission, simply select here, and now here you can also edit this. So you can see this is change here. So here you can see description you want to change, so you can also change it, and you can also bold, italic, simplify. Here you can see the delete option, hide option. So these options are available here. So after that here you can see info. So now here you can also see on the left side if you want to hide or unhide this, so simply you can do it here. So here you can check the info. So like if you want to edit the info, simply just here you can see you can change the heading, footer menu. Here you can change the menu or simply remove the menu. These options available. And now here you can see the quick links. So now if you want to change this, so simply you can also edit this, like you can change this name here. So you can completely customize footer like this. So now here you can see if you want to change completely all settings available. So finally you have got to know that how you can edit footer, like you can change colors and every section here. Just simply you have to select the section, and after that on the right side you can edit. So step by step, in this way you can edit a complete footer in Shopify.